Hi, I'm Jeff McKay, Chairman of the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, and today I'll be reading a proclamation recognizing September as Workforce Development Month in Fairfax County. Whereas the National Association of Workforce Development Professionals marks September as Workforce Development Month to highlight the essential contributions of workforce development efforts to economic stability and prosperity, and whereas the growing complexity of fast-paced change in our economy and labor markets place new demands on employers and employees at all levels, requiring a highly skilled workforce and robust talent pipeline. And whereas employers across the region are seeking workers to fill more than 60,000 job openings, including over 32,000 vacancies in Fairfax County alone, which highlights the critical need to connect talent with opportunity. And whereas workforce development professionals work tirelessly to help residents upskill and transition into high-demand industries, fostering pathways to financial security, career advancement, and economic mobility. And whereas Fairfax County Department of Family Services Public Assistance and Employment Services Division, in collaboration with community partners, will promote workforce development programs and services and will host staff and public events throughout the month. Now therefore be it resolved that the Fairfax County Board of Supervisors, on behalf of all Fairfax County residents, hereby proclaims September 2025 as Workforce Development Month in Fairfax County and expresses deep gratitude for the invaluable contributions of workforce development professionals and organizations whose efforts strengthen career opportunities, spark innovation, and bolster the economic resilience of our community. Signed by myself and the entire Fairfax County Board of Supervisors.